Welcome viewers to the Aachen Christmas Market. Aachen is a spa city near Germany's borders with Belgium and the Netherlands and comes with a lot of history, beautiful old buildings, churches, as you will see through this video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks. This year marks the 50th anniversary of Aachen's Christmas markets, even though the city has a far greater history than that. It's many hundreds of years old, and I will go towards the end of the video. I'll show you one of its churches, but for the big cathedral I will make a separate video. So now please sit back and relax as I walk you through the whole Aachen Christmas market. One more piece of information: the Aachen Christmas Market is this year sadly only open till December 23rd, but I'm sure those of you that are interested in Christmas markets, you can come here next year.
Wir haben nicht alle Tassen im Schrank. Einer ist immer Tee.
Das ist eigentlich anders. Das hat zum Glück.
Hey, pal.
Ik weet niet hoe lang het op zijn bus gaat hoor, jij?
Irgendjemand hatte den Weihnachtsessen vielleicht noch nicht.
This marks the end of the Christmas market too. For those of you that are still interested, I will give you a short walk through St. Feulian St. Flank Church, which is opposite Aachen Cathedral. We are now coming to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'm wishing all of you a Merry Christmas. Hopefully all your wishes come true. Please stay tuned for the new video that will be out next Sunday. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment if you've been to Aachen before. Thanks for watching. Take care.